Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in the Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of Intermediate First Year Maths A. We have been discussing the different concepts of trigonometry up to transformations in our previous sessions. We have started with the basics of trigonometry, such as we have started with the definitions, then identities, then till the last session we have been discussing the basic formulas of a compound angles, right. With the continuation of that, let us do few more problems on compound angles. See here, the question given here it is, he gave a plus b is equal to pi by 4 and he is asking us to prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Okay. How to do that? Okay. What is the formula we have to remember here? Again, the formula is going to repeat all the time in all the problems. Okay. Now see here, what is given? The solution is given a plus b is equal to pi by 4, right. What is that we have to apply? We have to apply tan on both sides. We have to apply tan on both sides. Is it clear? It will become tan of a plus b is equal to tan pi by 4, right. What is the formula of tan of a plus b? That is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to tan pi by 4 is 1. Is it clear? Now let us cross multiply this to that side. It will become tan a plus tan b is equal to, we will write the whole thing to the right hand side, 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay. Then the next step, let us bring everything towards one side. Let us keep that 1 there. Let us bring that tan a tan b this side. It will become tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b, that is equal to 1, right. What is the question given here? 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, that is equal to 2, right. Now let us take one, let us add 1 on both sides, right. Add 1 on both sides. It will become tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, right. Now can we take common from some terms? Okay. Shall we take tan a common from these two terms? Okay. Let us take tan a into, what is left here? 1 plus here tan b is left. Then what are the terms left? Tan b plus 1, right side it is 2. Is it clear? Now if you observe, 1 plus tan b here and 1 plus tan b here, both are common, isn't it? Now let us take that 1 plus tan b as common. What we will get? Here it is tan a, here it is 1 is equal to 2. Is it the same which they are asking? 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Is it clear? There is a 4 marks question, try to concentrate here. Once again let me tell you, they gave a plus b is equal to pi by 4 and they are asking us to prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2, right. We know that a plus b equal to pi by 4. Since everything is in terms of tan, let us apply tan on both sides, right. What is the formula of tan of a plus b? That is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, that is equal to tan pi by 4 is 1, right. Let us cross multiply this to that side. It will become tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a tan b, right. Let us bring this tan a tan b this side. Now add 1 on both sides, then take tan a as common from these two terms, we will get 1 plus tan b. Again we will find tan b plus 1 is left, again tan b plus 1 is common on both sides, we can get tan a plus 1 into tan b plus 1 equal to 2, right. Now let us go to next problem. What is given here? Cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1, that is equal to 2, right. Now what is given? Given a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Now tell me, what is that we have to apply on both sides? Since here everything is in terms of tan, we have applied tan. Now here everything is in terms of cot. Then we have to apply cot on both sides, isn't it? It will become cot of a plus b is equal to cot pi by 4. Cot of a plus b formula is cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. What is the value of cot 45? 1, right. Now, let us again transform to right hand side. It will become cot a cot b minus 1, that is equal to cot b plus cot a, right. Now, let us bring this cot b cot a to left hand side and take this one to right hand side. It will become cot a cot b minus, here it is cot b, again cot a is equal to, this one will go that side, isn't it? Can we take anything common here? No, again we let us add 1 on both sides. Now, add 1 on both sides. Is it clear? It is always good to specify the statements like this, so that the evaluator also will understand that you have used such kind of step. Okay. Now, see here, can we take common from any two terms? Yes. Can we take cot b as common from the first two terms? Let us take, it will become cot b into cot a minus 1, right. Here it is cot a minus 1, here it is minus cot a plus 1, right. Can we take minus from these two? Yes. If we take minus 1 as common from these two terms, it will become cot a. Again, since it is plus, if we have taken minus common, it will become minus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now, see here, cot a minus 1, cot a minus 1. Can we take as common? That is cot a minus 1 into, here it is cot b is left, here 1 is left, that is nothing but 2. Is it what we are trying to solve, right? He has the same thing, clear? Both the problems are same, but the thing is, here we have used the formula of tan of a plus b, here we have used the formula of cot of a plus b, right. These are the two different 4 marks questions which you have to focus, okay, right. Shall we move on to the next problem? I hope these both problems are clear, okay. Now, let us move on to the next problem. See here, the question given here it is, if the angles ABC are angles of triangle and they gave the condition that none of them is pi by 2, which means if 3 angles are ABC, nothing should be 90 degrees, okay. Then he is asking us to prove this. How to do that? Let us write what is the condition given by him. He gave ABC are angles of a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is always 180, right. Do we have any formula kind a tan of a plus b plus c? Do we have? No, we do not have. Okay. Now, is it good to transform one of the angle to that side? Let us do that. It will become a plus b equal to 180 minus c, right. Can we apply tan on both sides now? Yes, we can. Now, apply tan on both sides. Now, let us see here, it will become tan of a plus b is equal to tan of pi minus c, right. What is the formula of tan of a plus b? That is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, right. What is the value of tan of 180 minus theta? It is in second quadrant, isn't it? Tan is negative, it will become minus tan c. Do not forget these basic things at least, right. Now, let us cross multiply this that side, it will become tan a plus tan b, that is equal to, let us multiply these both, it will become 1 into minus tan c, that is minus tan c, minus into minus plus tan a tan b tan c tan a tan b tan c. Is it clear? Now, is it clear? Is that he is asking tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to this tan c on left side. Let us bring this tan that side. It will become tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. Is it right? This is what he is asking us to prove, right? These are the basic questions, and he may ask you in terms of cot A, cot B, cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot A, cot B, cot C. The same thing you will get almost the same thing, except instead of tan you will have cot. Okay. Now see here, there is one more question. He is asking us to find minimum and maximum values of 3 cos x plus 4 sin x, right. He can also ask the range also. How to find? Okay. How to find the minimum and maximum values? From where did we get this? Okay. There is a basic formula of to find a range of a function is in the form of, for example, f of x is something in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c, right. Then the minimum value is always given as c minus under root a square plus b square, and the maximum value is given by c plus under root a square plus b square. This is the formula you have to remember, right. If you know this, we can directly substitute the values of these into this. Okay. Shall we do that? Let us do now. Okay. What is the question given here? He is asking us to find the minimum and maximum of this function, that is, let us write the function as it is, 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. Okay. Let us compare with the standard form. What is standard form? That is a cos x plus b sin x plus c, right. What is the value of a here? A is the coefficient of cos x. What is a here? 3. What is b here? 4. Is there any constant? There is no constant. Let us equate it to 0. Okay. Now, what is the value of minimum? Minimum is c minus under root a square plus b square, that is c is 0 minus under root of 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, that is minus root 25, which is nothing but minus 5. Similarly, what is the maximum value? 0 plus under root 3 square plus 4 square, again here it is plus 25, which is nothing but plus 5 is the maximum value. Is it right? Therefore, this function lies between minus or plus 5. Okay. Then what is the second question? He is asking us to find the range of 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. Once again I am telling, even if he asks you to find the range, you have to find the minimum and maximum. Range is that all right, it will be in between minimum and maximum values, that is the range of that function. See here, again let us compare this with f of x equal to a cos x plus b sin x plus c. What is a here? A is coefficient of cos x, that is 7. B is coefficient of sin x, that is minus 24. C is constant. Let us substitute in the formula. What is the minimum formula? C minus under root a square plus b square. What is C? 5 minus under root 7 square plus minus 24 ka square, right. 5 minus 7 square is 49, 24 square is how much is it? 576. If you add 49 plus 576, how much will it become? 625. What is the square root of 625? 25. The answer is minus 20. This is the minimum value. Okay. Now see here, what is the value of maximum? 5 plus under root of 7 square plus minus 24 whole square. 5 plus 49 plus 576, that is 5 plus root 625, that is equal to 5 plus 25, that is nothing but 30. Is it clear? You can even write the range as minus 20 to 30. Is it clear? Hope everything is okay for you. Okay. What did we see here? The minimum and maximum values of a given function, which is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c, right. What is the range? That is, the function will fluctuate between the minimum and the maximum value. Okay, that is how we find the range of a given function. Okay, let us move on to the next problem. Let us go. See here the question, it is a kind of tricky question and lengthy question. He gave that ABC are the angles in a triangle such that cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to root 3. Then he is asking us to prove that ABC is an equilateral triangle. Let us do that. Let us write the solution. He gave that ABC are the angles of triangle, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now let us send this C that side. What it will become? A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, right. Let us do the same thing which we did in the previous problem, that is let us apply cot on both sides. Apply cot on both sides, then it will become cot of A plus B is equal to cot of 180 minus C, right. What is cot of A plus B formula? That is cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot of 180 minus C, how much is it? That is nothing but minus cot C. Since it is in second quadrant, cot is negative. Let us transform that side, it will become cot A cot B minus 1, that is equal to, if you transform it that side, it will become minus cot C into cot B, right, minus cot A into cot C. Okay, we have multiplied this cot C with both the things. Okay, now let us bring this both this side, it will become cot A cot B, minus will become this side, it will become cot B cot C, again this will become this side, will become cot A cot C, this minus 1 will go that side, right. This is what the continuation of the previous problem which we have seen, that tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal tan A tan C. This is same like that, right. Can I write this as summation cot A cot B is equal to 1? Yes, yes we can. Okay. This is the first step of this problem. Now let us take one more condition. Now let us try to solve the value of summation cot A minus cot B whole square. What it will become? Cot A minus cot B whole square. How to solve it? Let us see there. Cot A minus cot B, what it will become? Summation cot square A plus cot square B minus 2 cot A cot B, right. Let us write it separately for each and every term. What it will become? Sigma cot square A, sigma cot square B minus sigma cot A cot B. Is it right? Let us write it. Sigma cot square A or summation cot square B minus 2 into summation of cot A cot B, right. Now see here, summation cot square A can be written as A, B and C, that is cot square A plus cot square B plus cot square C. Again cot square B can be written as cot square B plus cot square C plus cot square A minus 2 into what is summation cot A cot B? It is nothing but 1. Okay, is it clear? Now see here, how many cot square are there? Cot square A plus cot square A, 2 cot square A, again cot square B, here it is 2 cot square B plus again cot square C, 2 cot square C minus 2. Is it clear? Now can I take 2 common from these 3 or even from the fourth term? It will become cot square A plus cot square B plus cot square C. It is actually similarly with cot A plus cot B plus cot C, that is A square plus B square plus C square form. That can be written as A plus B plus A whole square minus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA. Shall we do that? See here, how to do that is, if I take 2 common, it will become cot square A plus cot square B cot square C, right. Let us also take this 1 common from 2 common from this also, I mean 2 common we will get 1. Now see here, this is in the form of A square plus B square plus C square, right. that can be written as A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 AB BC CA, that is again cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A minus 1. Is it right? Now check here. Here this whole thing is cot A plus cot B plus cot C. What is the value of that given as? That is given as root 3. Isn't it? Now let us substitute it there. It will become root 3 whole square minus cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A. What is the value of that again? Here it is again 1. It will become minus 2 minus 1. Therefore, it is root 3 into root 3 square is 3, minus 2 minus 3 is 3. They both get cancelled, therefore, answer is 0. What is the, whose value is 0 here? Summation cot A minus cot B whole square value is 0. That is, cot A minus cot B is equal to 0. When that will be equal to 0? Here, summation cot A minus cot B whole square is equal to 0. When the cot A is equal to cot B, or cot B equal to cot C, or cot C equal to cot A. Is it clear? How do we get that? We can write here it as cot A minus cot B plus cot B minus cot C plus cot C minus cot A is equal to 0. When this will be equal? When A, B, C and all the values are equal. You can even place this square also. Both are same, however, if we substitute it, I mean if we send the square outside, it will be equal. When this will be equal? When, only when cot A is equal to cot B is equal to cot C. Is it clear? Here A, B, C, 3 are angles of triangle. Definitely they will be less than 180. Still I am sure they will be less than 90 degrees. Okay. If cot A equal to cot B equal to cot C, then I can tell that A is equal to B is equal to C, that is nothing but 60 degrees. Since all 3 angles are equal, it will be obviously equal to 60. Therefore, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Is it clear? This is one of a typical kind of problem to understand. Okay. Hope the sessions of compound angles are clear for today. Clear? Now let us discuss with the more problems of half angles and the multiple angles in our next sessions. Okay, till now we have discussed the few compound angles and the values of sin 15, tan 15 kind of things. Okay, is it clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session of the trigonometry. Okay, thank you.